Hello everyone. In this video we will learn about tangent and normal to a curve and their equations. What is a tangent? A tangent is a straight line which intersects a curve at only one point, or we say it touches the curve. Let's understand this by the figure. Y equal to fx. Let it be a curve and at point P whose coordinates are x comma y, QR touches or intersects the curve at one point. So QR is a tangent to the curve at point P. Then what is P known as? P is called the point of contact. If QR makes an angle theta with the positive direction of x-axis, then its slope m is given by tan theta. That we know the slope of a straight line is the tangent of the angle it makes with the positive direction of x-axis. Then what is the normal? Normal is perpendicular to the tangent. But where? That we have to remember. A normal is a straight line which is perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. See in this figure, LM is perpendicular to the tangent QR at point P, and therefore LM is the normal. Suppose the slope of LM is M1, then M into M1 is equal to -1, because we know that the product of the slopes of two perpendicular lines is -1, and hence M1 is equal to -1 upon M. It means we can find out the slope of the normal by the formula -1 upon slope of tangent. Let's learn now how to find out the slope of tangent to a curve. Suppose y equal to fx is a curve and we draw it here. This is the curve. If we have any point P here, this is P, the coordinates of which are x1, y1. Let's take another point Q. Then certainly the coordinates of Q will be with some change in x1 and y1. So let the coordinates of Q be x1 plus delta x1 and y1 plus delta y1. If we join this P and Q, then PQ is said to be the chord of the curve. Then what will be the slope of PQ? Slope of PQ is given by y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. That is the formula. Here in this case, what is y2? Y2 is y1 plus delta y1 minus y1 upon x2 is x1 plus delta x1 minus x1. This y1 and y1 cancel, x1 and x1 cancel. So the slope of this line can be given by delta y1 upon delta x1. Let's produce it to see what angle it makes. It is making, suppose, an angle theta 1 with the x-axis. Now suppose we bring this point Q towards P, then we will find the values of delta x1 and delta y1 will be reduced. If we proceed some more towards this P, then some more it will be reduced. And suppose we come near this point, the nearest point of P, then we will find the position of this line PQ will become a tangent or not. This will act as a tangent. It means what? The tangent will be at point P when Q is approaching P. So we can say when Q tends to P, then PQ tends to become the tangent at P. Then suppose this tangent makes an angle theta with the x-axis. Then certainly theta 1 will be tending to theta. And hence we can say that slope of this will become tan theta. So what will be the slope of tangent? Slope of tangent will be tan theta. And this tan theta is limit delta x1 tends to 0, delta y1 upon delta x1. Why? Because when we are tending towards P, certainly delta x1 will be tending to 0. And we know this is the definition of dy1 by dx1, which is the derivative of y with respect to x at point x1 y1. It means what we can say? We can say that slope of tangent at any point x1 y1 can be given by dy by dx at point x1 y1, which is m. Now suppose we want to find out the equation of tangent at x1 y1. Then equation of tangent at x1 y1 can be given by y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, where m is dy by dx at point x1 y1. So like this we can find out the equation of tangent to a curve at any point of the curve. So we have learned that slope of tangent at x1 y1 is given by dy by dx at point x1 y1, that is m. And we also know that normal is perpendicular to tangent, therefore we can say the slope of normal m1 will be given by minus 1 upon m, that is minus 1 upon dy by dx at point x1 y1. After knowing about the slope of normal, that is m1, we can find the equation of normal to the curve y equal to fx at x1 y1. We can give as y minus y1 is equal to m1 into x minus x1. We can write here y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 upon m into x minus x1. And what is m? M is the slope of tangent. So we can also write this as y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 upon dy by dx at point x1 y1 into x minus x1. So this can be applied as a formula to find the equation of normal. Let us learn by some questions how to find out the equation of tangent and normal to a curve. The question is to find the equation of tangent and normal to the curve y equal to 3x square minus 4x plus 5 at point 2, 9. To find the solution of this, what we do, we write the curve y equal to 3x square minus 4x plus 5. First we have to find out the slope of tangent, and to find the slope of tangent we have to find out the derivative of this function. So we write here differentiating with respect to x. We get here dy by dx equal to 6x minus 4. Then the slope of, we can write therefore slope of tangent at 2, 9 will be equal to dy by dx At 2 comma 9, when we substitute the value, that is 6 into 2 minus 4, that is 12 minus 4 equal to 8. So 8 is the slope of tangent, and then we can find out, therefore equation of tangent at 2 comma 9 is what? We have the formula y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Substituting these values, we get y minus 9 equal to 8 into x minus 2. And when we simplify it, we get 8x minus y equal to 7. This is the equation of tangent. Now to find the slope of normal m1, we know it is minus 1 upon m. That is minus 1 upon slope of tangent. In this case, it is minus 1 upon 8. Therefore, the equation of normal at 2 comma 9 will be y minus y1 is equal to m1 into x minus x1. That is y minus 9 is equal to minus 1 upon 8 into x minus 2. On simplification, we get 8y minus 72 equal to minus x plus 2. Or we can say x plus 8y equal to 74. This is the equation of normal. So like this, we can find out the equation of tangent or normal at a point of the given curve. Sometimes we have the problems of finding the point on the curve where the tangent is parallel or perpendicular to given line, or it passes through a given point, or the slope of the tangent is given. In that case, what we do, let's take a problem like find the point at which the tangent to the curve y equal to x square plus 4x minus 2 is parallel to the line 2x plus y equal to 5. What we do to find out the solution? First, we write the equation of the curve. The curve is y equal to x square plus 4x minus 2, which can be written as equation number 1. Second is line 2x plus y equal to 5. This we can write as equation number 2. Now we consider a point on the curve. Let the point be x1 comma y1. We know that this point lies on the curve. So we say therefore y1 will be equal to x1 square plus 4x1 minus 2. This we can write as equation number 3. Now to find out the slope of the tangent at x1 y1, we are to find the derivative of this. So we differentiate 1 with respect to x, and we get dy by dx equal to 2x plus 4. Therefore, the slope of tangent at x1 y1 will be m, that is 2x1 plus 4. We substitute in this. Now we are to find out the slope of the line. Slope of line 2, that is m1 is equal to minus 2 upon 1, that is minus 2. Because we know slope of a line is given by minus a upon b, that is minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y. Now since the tangent is parallel to the line, therefore their slopes will be equal. So we can write for parallel m is equal to m1. This gives us 2x1 plus 4 is equal to minus 2. Or we write 2x1 is equal to minus 6, which gives us x1 is equal to minus 3. Substituting in 3, we get y1 is equal to x1 square, that is 9, minus 12 minus 2, that is minus 5. Therefore, the required point is minus 3 comma minus 5. Like this we can find out the point on the curve according to the given condition. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any comments or doubts, leave them in the comment box and I will get back to you.